we have here, Diane. So thanks so much for joining us. She's also a guest here. We have a lot of just anything you could tell us about yourself?
Well, I'm Denise from Brazil, and
Oh, that's why you're from Brazil.
I'm from Brazil, yes. And I originally came here for a month because I had problems in my uterus. I had a polyp that I wanted to shrink. I had shrunk fibroids with Dr. Fuhrman's diet, just reading the book. So I was already a believer, and am able to do that now for another month. So I gained 2.4 pounds of muscle. So I was very excited with that after just a month, when the average, I guess, we were told was 1 pound a month.
So you gained muscle and you lost fat.
I gained muscle and I lost fat, which was, unbelievable. I had never been able to gain muscle ever in my life. And I'm 62 now, so not exactly young. And, when you're back home, everybody's like, oh, you're just old, it's never going to happen. And here you really realize when you're on the diet that that's absolutely not true. And, also you hear a lot about, menopause, and that's going to make you, gain so much weight and you'll never be able to lose it. And that's clearly not true either. So it's a huge learning experience. It's a place of, love and attention. Absolutely fantastic classes, not to mention the food. We have 4 gourmet chefs, and it's really been a game changer, I think, for my health. I'm very glad. And I decided to stay another month because I was getting such wonderful results, and I'm very happy.
Wow, you're not going to want to go home.
I'm not going to want to go home. Yeah, I'm already thinking of staying a 3rd month. So, and you also make incredible friends here. The people that come here have a very positive vibe, and the nurses help you a lot. And you get to meet Dr. Fuhrman and see a lecture in person. Because I used to watch you all the time, Chef AJ. I'm a huge fan. Thank you so much for interviewing so many people. It really helps a lot.
Thank you. Tell us what a typical day looks like for you at the Eat to Live retreat.
We are here for breakfast at 8. So we do the intermittent fasting. We eat breakfast at 8. We have our lunch at noon. And then our dinner is at 5 p.m., which, again, was a game changer. I mean, I never knew it could make such a difference. You go to bed, your stomach is very light, and you're not hungry. Oh, that's the biggest thing for me. You're not hungry. And the portions, the salad is big, but the soup I thought was a small portion. And now I don't think that anymore. Now I've been here for a month and a half. So I'm completely satisfied. I'm never hungry. And that was a shocker, because when I was at home doing the diet, I realized now I was eating too much for my body. So yeah, a lot of learning and great results, I feel.
That is fantastic. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much. And thank you to Dr. Fuhrman and Lisa and everybody here in the retreat. And you too, Chef AJ. We love you. We're praying that everything will work out and you will beat this thing.
Thank you so much.